Hey there, bods, Angry Bird 121 here, back with another vid, and as you can see here, there's only 27 hours left, and the trailer for Bean's new Minecraft server premieres. I made the trailer myself, and the server address is revealed in the beginning, so I have a lot to do. This isn't the normal Lake Router ST. Something big is going to happen when it's not the normal OST. And what is this OST? This appears new as well, although I kind of think I've heard it before. Make sure to be back by 8. Okay, so half an hour. But why 8 in the morning? Hold on, before I take the hat to the beach, I heard a little something about a new inspiration. Somewhere along these paths, and it only appears during this quest, and I am not going to miss it. It appears somewhere around here. I think. I'm not very good at getting the coordinates exact. Hang on, I'll just look it up. Okay, it was above the mountain, not below. Wait, did I get the coordinates right? It's a little bit above this edge. I don't see it though. Maybe it appears late in a quest. So I'm going to come back later in the quest. In fact, every time the quest changes a bit. I'm gonna head over there and see if the inspiration is there. This is so funny. Ah. So the inspiration is somewhere around there. I am going to get the inspiration before the checkpoint. This blanket wasn't here before. Wait, where's the blanket? Okay, I'm seriously messing up here on my navigation. This is so funny. Inspiration obtained. I really need to keep a lookout, because so you guys may think that I have every single item from quests since I joined, but there's actually a few that I'm missing. No, that I missed. Okay, looks like it's a parkour. Wait, how can there be a tree directly in the middle of the water? Trees can't swim! I mean, that strange tree in the tundra might be able to swim. Those branches look like they could paddle 1,000 miles. made it obvious. Okay. It looks like there's a bit of a set to collect going on here. But now, we're to try and get 2 new Enigma items from 1 Enigma. Because there's these hidden rares that were added in the new update. So they have a random chance to appear from certain items. So let's get this. Also, a ton of people aren't happy about something new at Reputable Goods. Apparently they brought back the pointed Fey collar, and it's available to be purchased. But I'm just going to ignore. The inspiration was actually not that secret, because the icon to hold it, to pick it up, is right there. You get teleported right next to it. But the new item is this. Twigla's breakfast cereal. What? There's sushi scales in it. I'm gonna purchase lots of these and you'll see why if it happens. What? wisteriamoon is here. Where? Well, that was an unexpected collab. I think this is an official accidental collab with wisteriamoon. This isn't the first time I've met a Jambassador. Because I have met Shop King in Animal Jam before. Okay, so there we have it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.